Pickleball is buzzing all around the globe, and I have with me two superstars of the game. I have with me Sindoor Mittal and Simran, who have just won a gold medal in 35 plus women's doubles. Interesting game was seen in court, and we'll speak with them regarding their match. Sindoor, first to you. How was the game? You have won two gold medals in this nationals. Indian Pickleball Association's fourth national is going on. What would you say about your journey and about your two gold medals?
Sure. Thank you so much for that. I think for me it's really exhilarating because it's the first time I'm playing the nationals. I've only been playing tournaments since the last 5 months. So it's really amazing to come for my first nationals and bring home both the gold medals. So I'm really, really excited about it.
Simran, one bronze and one gold medal. Gold in doubles and bronze in singles. So a lot of improvement in singles maybe?
Yeah, I feel that I'm a natural singles player and I prefer playing singles. But definitely, I think Sindoor and I have been playing for the last few months together, and we have great camaraderie. I think pickleball is one of the it is the fastest growing sport right now, and I think it's a great opportunity for everyone to come together, especially today on Republic Day. The fourth IPA Nationals is on, so what better a day to play than today?
But what would you say about the atmosphere over here? 4 days we have seen 12 plus, 60 plus, even the categories, open categories were there. A lot of matches held, a lot of games. I have seen you guys watching here the games. What would you say about the competition if compared with the global leagues or the global countries? For example, with the US, with South Asian countries, what would you say?
I think I honestly haven't yet played outside India. Like I said, I've only been playing for a few months now, but I have played within India in different places. I think the environment has been amazing. Bennett University is such an ideal place to play with so many courts, so many facilities. The courts have been fantastic. So it's been amazing from that perspective. In terms of competition, like I said, for me, it's the first national. So, winning two national gold medals has been amazing. It was tough. I think our last finals match was a close fight. But I think that unless there's a fight, there's no joy in really winning, right? So I was really excited about that.
Simran, what will you say about the atmosphere and the competition you faced here?
I think the energy is, fantastic. The kind of motivation, 22 states participating today. I think it's great infrastructure. Bennett University is huge. They even providing accommodation. In terms of competition, I feel that the level keeps going up. Every few months, you just see a different level. I think in India, I think the level is quite decent. It's great. Of course, USA, the level is definitely, I believe it's higher. And we have to keep raising the bar to get better. And I think it's great to compete, to win, to feel good. And, the most important thing is when you play, enjoy it. Just have fun. And you play your best. Because playing in practice is very different from playing a tournament. You have to be mentally and physically very proactive, stable, positive. So I think pickleball teaches you all that. So we're glad to be here today.
Sindoor, you just said that you have been playing for a few months now. How is it different? Just now, Simran also told that playing it professionally brings different level of energy. It takes a lot of your times, of course, and a lot of your hard work. So, how was it for you?
I think for me, I don't think of tournaments very different from practice. So I try to keep my eye on each point and I try to stay in the moment. I try to stay very calm and that's I think works pretty well. I've had this experience being a national champion in swimming many years ago, so I've come from a different sport, but the one thing that carries forward is how we are trained to mentally handle it. So for me, I would say I don't think differently about practice or competition. In fact, if anything, I use the whole environment to make myself perform better. So I really love being in such situations and it just spurs me on.
Okay, so last few questions. How are the pickleball scenes in Mumbai? Is it crazy? Is it growing?
$1 million question. $1 million question.
How is it?
It's crazy. Yeah. I mean, every weekend there are new tournaments. Dink and Drive and, different tournaments in different places in Bombay. I think Bombay is the buzzing hub for, new pickleball tournaments. It's everywhere. And
Gujarat says they are the buzzing place.
Of course, Gujarat is also buzzing, but since you're from Bombay, we will stick with that. Yeah.
Yeah, Sindhu, what do you think?
I agree with Simran. There's new courts coming up in all buildings. For example, it's Bombay doesn't have that much space, but pickleball doesn't take up much space. Plus, it's an indoor sport. With our crazy monsoons, it's amazing because we can play 24/7. We can play it all year round. So, and the best part about it is you have children all the way from 5, 6 playing all the way to age 70 almost. In my own club I see that, so it actually brings people across from different ages, genres, communities, everywhere, and I think that's what's amazing about the sport, and it's just picking up like crazy. Bombay is
And
amazing.
I also think that there are a lot of inter-club tournaments which are happening at a much higher level. So last in Kharjam there was a KGPL where actually 250 players were participated in Bombay itself. So I think Kharjam and Otters are buzzing clubs, and we both play there. So
We got lucky.
yeah, absolutely.
So where do you see pickleball in next, say, 5 and 10 years? This is the most growing sport across globe, not just in India. Where do you see this game after 5 years or 10 years maybe?
It's not about 5-10 years.
Yeah.
You should say, where do you see it 6 months ahead? Where do you
Yeah.
see it 1 year ahead? I think everywhere globally it's a craze.
I'll give you a hint why I said 5-10 years, because I want to see it in Olympics.
Oh, that's
Oh, it
fantastic. I hope
will.
so.
We
That's there in the
I really
Olympics,
hope from our heart.
and India will win a medal for
that-
sure.
Yes, that it should be part of Olympics. Such a huge growing sport across age categories. I think this is one of the few sports you can play at any age category, and definitely we want to see it in the Olympics. And let's hope that happens in less than 5 years.
Less than 5 years is took little time, very little time. Yeah. So let's see. Let's hope for the best. I have a few more questions, Sindhu. You also won a gold medal along with Arman in mixed doubles. How was it? What was the feeling? Arman being the face of Indian pickleball. I saw a few kids getting his autographs, and I have usually seen those things happening in other sports, in cricket and badminton with PV Sindhu. Now it's happening in pickleball. Definitely, it shows that it is growing to a different proportion, different level. How was it playing with Arman?
Yeah, good question. I think playing with Arman is just, I mean, what can I say? He's just so good, and I think when he's playing a tournament, he's really putting in 120%. So I train with him. He's my coach, but I never see him play full on in practice like he does here. And I think he's really easy to play with. I think he's got a lot of experience. So, he's just very great as a partner, very communicative, very open, and I think very encouraging. So yeah, I mean, just seeing him in action has just been amazing. It was an honor, I would say, to play with him. So I'm really excited that he asked me, and I was very happy to have that experience.
Okay, thank you for speaking with us. Wishing you all the best for the future tournaments, and
you.
I hope that our goal, which we shared here, that pickleball will be in Olympics real soon.
I know, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. So this was Ankan with camera person Abhishek from Bennett University, Greater Noida.